Assalamu Walaikum. Hello friends, how are you? Welcome back to our another video. In this video, I am going to show you how to remove background from data point of chart in Microsoft Word. Let's get started. At first, we have to open a Word document. Then we want to remove background from this data point. Then click the data point. Then click right button on our mouse and go to format data series. Then go to the fill color. Then choose solid fill and apply any color. Then click the another data point and apply the same process. Then close the window. Then we can see here we remove background from data point of this chart very easily. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.